Unlock the power of Google's Gemini AI directly on your Windows 10 machine. And let's dive into how you can integrate it into your projects today. First, we need to set up your development environment. This involves obtaining your unique API key from Google Cloud. Head over to the Google AI Studio, sign in with your Google account, and generate a new API key. Keep this key secure, as it's your access credential. Once you have your API key, the next crucial step is installing the necessary library that allows your Windows 10 applications to communicate with the Gemini API for most developers. This will be a Python-based library. Open your command, prompt, or terminal, and execute the installation command for the Google Generative AI SDK. Now that the library is installed, we can begin writing the code to interact with Gemini. The core of this process involves importing the Gemini library, and then initializing it using your secret API key. This establishes the connection between your application and the AI model. Next, we'll define the prompt, which is essentially the question or instruction you want to give to the Gemini model. This can be anything from a simple text query to a more complex set of parameters to guide the AI's response. Think of this as telling Gemini what you want it to do. With your prompt ready, you'll send it to the Gemini API. The library handles the communication, sending your prompt to Google's servers and receiving a generated response. This response can be text, code, or even structured data, depending on your prompt and the model's capabilities. Finally, you'll process and display the response within your Windows 10 application. This could involve printing it to the console, displaying it in a user interface element, or using it as input for further processing. Congratulations! You've now successfully integrated the Gemini API into your Windows 10 workflow.